Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everyone and welcome to the CM Science programs. We have here the first lesson that we shall discuss it with each other, speaking about the matter and its characteristics. Okay, so each matter has its own characteristics. Okay. What are the characteristics of matter? Okay, shall we define the matter first? What the matter? The matter is anything that has masses and we can say occupy a space or a volume. Okay, so matter first of all is anything that has mass and volume. Okay, so the characteristics that can be used to distinguish between substances. How can we differentiate between salt and sugar? Really, we can use the color to differentiate between gold and silver, as an example. Smell to differentiate between vinegar and perfume, maybe. Taste to differentiate between sugar and salt. We can use density also, melting point and boiling point for each matter. The hardness of the substances are different. Thermal conductivity or electric conductivity. Those all are the physical properties by which we can distinguish between different forms of matter. As I told you, color, taste, smell. How can we differentiate between yalla bina, iron, silver, gold? Can you differentiate by what? By color. What about table salt and sugar? By taste. What about the smell? It's perfume and vinegar. Matter and density. What is the density? This is the second property by which I can differentiate between what and what, between different matters. Density, actually its definition is it is the mass of unit volume of a substance, or it is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter of the substance. Okay. By knowing the density of different substances, we can know if they are sinking water or floats on the water surface. How can we calculate the density? This is what we will know later. Okay, we have here a great statement which is really, you can discuss it hardly. Equal masses of different substances, so they are already different. Okay, but I take or I choose an equal masses of these different substances. So actually they will have different volumes. Okay, or equal volumes of different substances have different masses. Okay, answer because they have different densities. Another question, give reason. Yes, the soldiers of give reasons. Wake up. A piece of food floats on the water surface while a piece of lead sinks in it. The answer actually is related to their densities. If the density of the substance is less than the density of water, which is actually 1 gram per 1 cubic centimeter, so the substance will float. If the density of the substance less than the water density, so the substance will float. While the density of the lead, I mean metals, is larger than that of water, so they will sink through water. And now how can we calculate the density? Really, D will equal mass over volume. So to get the density, it's 50 gram divided by 50 cubic centimeters. The result of the density of water will be 1. Iron, you will divide the mass over the volume. Oil, mass over volume. Copper, mass over volume. Cork, mass over volume. To get what? To get the density. Okay. Here is the rule that we are used to calculate the density. I mean the D, we calculate D density, which equals the mass over the volume, and using the magic triangle or the magic circle to get the density. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Prep 1, for your good listening. Till we meet again, have a nice day.